Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host, Crypto Chester, and today we're here to talk about BONK. Okay, we're here to break down BONK from a technical analysis perspective, looking at this to see what sort of prices it could get to, and breaking it down from, as I said, technical analysis perspective, and sort of how can we profit from the elections and the price action of BONK. Okay, so let's break this down and let's see what we're working with today. So you can see here on the market cap side of things, we are currently priced at around a $1.4 billion market cap, only just holding that level. And then after that, you can see today we're actually up around 3.8% here, which is quite a lot considering the 7-day figures here, which is actually still down around 13%. So it was actually down around 16, nearly 17% there. But we have seen a bit of a pullback today, which does sort of save BONK a little bit. It's still above the $1 billion market cap, which is still a bullish sign here for this asset. It is 54th out of 9,911 cryptocurrencies out there, but it's still holding its own above $1 billion. So it's still quite positive. It's just Bitcoin has been doing Bitcoin things and taking a little bit of a pullback, and naturally with Bitcoin dominance being so high, it's only natural for BONK and other coins to follow suit. Now let's talk about the election, and let's talk about where this asset could be going here from a technical analysis standpoint, because there's some very interesting stuff happening on the chart. Now before we do that, I just want to talk to you quickly about Pepon Chain, guys. Pepon Chain is basically a layer 2 base protocol on Ethereum that has just raised near enough $25 million. Okay, so it's not a joke project. This thing is going to absolutely explode. Pepe now has its own blockchain, and it's built specifically for meme coins to be built on it. So it's basically taking the meme space, putting it on their blockchain, and yeah, it's gonna be ridiculous, right? It's a layer 2 base protocol, lower transaction fees than Ethereum, and lowest transaction fees on Ethereum, so lower than base chain, and also higher volume capacity, and it's 1,000 times faster than Ethereum. So some really good stuff going on for Pepon Chain. Go check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. If you guys want to get involved with this pre-sale, you can. Ethereum, USDT, or your card, or even BNB. Okay, connect your wallet, get involved with it, make the money. That's sort of the motto here, right? Now let's get straight over to the BONK chart. Let's break this down together. Now, the last time we spoke about BONK, we drew in these very important trend lines here from these highs back in May, coming down to July. And then you can see we've had a couple of retests coming through from here. But recently, we haven't seen that much price action to the upside that's been that convincing, okay? So it's been 2 weeks of sort of sideways or down, and nothing too great here. But for me right now, this is an interesting pinnacle point, because we do have this very strong trend line coming down like so. And we are predicted a bit of a Dumposaurus Rex. Okay, it's very likely that we're going to see the markets pull back quite heavily here with the election. So we basically need to plot in some potential buying areas that we could be looking out for, and how can we really capitalize on the next big dump here with a sell the news scenario playing out. Now, I predict maybe a 20 or 30% decrease in altcoins. That makes sense to me. If that is going to happen, 30% would be down on this trend line here, and you can see the buying up momentum from this is super strong, and it's always been strong from this area. So if we do dump down to here, buying a hell of a lot of BONK is not a bad idea. Okay, it will be just a clean sweep bounce, and that will be worth around 20%. Okay, so I'm looking for those. Looking for those moves is not dumb, and it's very likely that we do see lower prices here with the election. Now that's one scenario. The second scenario we could be looking out for here is a move down for around 16%, and then basically playing off this level of this horizontal level of support. Okay, we have seen it fail us before, but resistance has been strong as well multiple times. So it is valid. Okay, and the last time that we did test this level of support, we did see quite a big move to the upside here. So it's quite likely that if we do come down to this level again, that we do bounce quite aggressively here. But right now it's quite hard to say if that level of support is going to hold. If you're looking to hold this from a sort of a spot perspective, this would be a nice DCA level. Even if we come down to this level, you can just keep DCAing all the way down. You're going to make money in the long run. BONK is here to stay. It's not a dead meme coin project. It's got a lot of volume coming through from this bad boy. You can see over $100 million of volume a day. Yeah, this one is here to stay, and it is very tradable, to say the least. Okay, so those are my predictions there for BONK. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm intrigued to know, and whether you will be investing in BONK here at these very pinnacle levels. or if you've invested in bulk previously. Let me know. I'm intrigued. Drop a little like if you found some value here. That is going to be it for me. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.